This is a song for my firstborn. This is a song for my firstborn. This one's for you, Titus. It was April 22nd, 2010. Happiest day of my life, cause I finally got to meet him. 6 pounds, 7 ounces, standing 20 inches tall. He got my eyes, got my nose, got my skin toning off. Now the feeling Daddy had when he first held you in his arms. Love you more than love itself, let nobody bring you harm. Titus third Chang Yang, my firstborn son. I promise to be the best father, there is not one thing that I wouldn't do to show you what is right from wrong. Daddy, can I sing? But for you, look, I will sing the song. Give you all the time I have, teach you everything I know. Learn to be your friend, your guardian, and guide you through these roads. There ain't nothing in this world that Daddy wouldn't give to you. Nothing in this world could ever change the way I feel for you, my firstborn. My mini-me reflection, my world, my son, you show me what my point in life is. This is a song for my firstborn. Never knew my purpose in life until the day that I saw you. This is a song for my firstborn. No matter whether wrong or right, but Daddy's always gonna come through. This is a song for my firstborn. My biggest inspiration, the most important reason why I'm living. This is a song for my firstborn. My son, my world, a blessing sent from heaven. You're growing up so fast as the days go by. 7 months old now, every day you surprise me with all the things you do. Now you eating solid food, sitting on your own, about to go on walks soon. Excited for the future, but I cherish what we have today. True meaning of happiness, every time I look at you I say to myself that I will always be here by your side. No matter what happens to me, Titus, I will always try to give you what you need, support you so that you'll succeed in whatever you choose to do. I promise you can count on me. You got your mother's temper and her personality. You can't sit still, get tired of things quick, just like your daddy. And I swear, it feels like yesterday when it was just me and your moms. But I'm blessed to say that I can't imagine living life without my son, my firstborn, my angel sent from up. This is a song for my firstborn. Never knew my purpose in life until the day that I saw you. This is a song for my firstborn. No matter whether wrong or right, but Daddy's always gonna come through. This is a song for my firstborn. My biggest inspiration, the most important reason why I'm living. This is a song for my firstborn. My son, my world, a blessing sent from heaven. I just wanted to write you this song so you'll have something to remember me by if anything was to happen to me. But Daddy's always gonna be here for you. For you.